What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at appgrind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $5 per email. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And very, very soon, 2 people are going to win some free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end because I'm going to show you some steps. And if you don't follow this all the way through and see all the steps, then you're not going to be able to make this $5 per email. So please watch this video all the way to the very end. Now, without further ado, let me go ahead and go to this site that will show you how you can get paid $5 per email. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm at this website and the name of this website is called Player Up. So this is the website you're going to use to get paid $5 per email. So when you come here, you're going to go to all other games. So you're going to scroll down. And you're going to click right here where it says all other games marketplaces. And then you're going to click on the letter G. And then you look for Gmail and click on that. And it's going to take you to this page and you look for Gmail OG accounts, buy, sell, trade. So click that. And as you can see right here, people come here to buy email accounts. As you can see right here, this person has 100 Gmail accounts, only $20. And here's one for 43. And here's another one for 10. Here's another one for $3. And here's another one right here. He's selling 250 Gmail for $5 a piece. So guys, you could sell these emails for any amount you want, but the ongoing price if you sell your emails for $5. Now you're probably wondering why people want to come here and buy emails where you can go to Gmail account and create your own Gmail for free. Well, as you can see, these people are selling multiple email accounts. Now, when you go on Gmail, you can only use one number per email. Well, for a certain number of emails, but you can't get unlimited emails. But unless you have a lot of different telephone numbers. So what I'm going to do is show you a site where you can go to and you'll be able to get as many telephone numbers you want, and you can use those to create your Gmail account. So let me go ahead and go to that website right now. All right, I'm at the website, and the name of this website is Receive SMS Online Instantly. So it's Receive SMS. So on this site, you'll be able to get as many telephone numbers if you want and use those numbers to make Gmail account. And also you can use these telephone numbers for Facebook, Telegram, WeChat, PayPal, Alipay. So, and you can get it from all different countries. So it's just not United States. As you can see here, you got United Kingdom. You have Germany, Russia, Canada, Ukraine, Austria. So all different type of countries all around the world you can get telephone numbers from. And you can use those telephone numbers to create as many Gmail accounts if you can. So that's the steps, guys. So what you're going to do, you're going to come here, get some phone numbers, create your Gmail accounts. You want to probably do 50 to 100. Then you go here to Player Up and open your account and start selling your email accounts for $5. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Before you go, please don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And also, please follow me on Instagram. It's @AppGrind. That's going to increase your chances to winning a free money. So please follow me there. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really do want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. One last thing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Thank you, Grind family. Thank you for your support. One more thing before I go. Please subscribe to my other channel. It's called Random Reg TV. The link will pop up in this video at the top. Go over there, subscribe, watch all my videos, and you're going to get a chance to win free money over there once I get to 2,000 subscribers. So please share that channel for me and help me get to 2,000 subscribers. And last thing I want to say here is I have a podcast. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow. Go check that out. The link is in the description. I'll talk about methods on how to start your business, how to grow your business, and also how to become a better person so you can be able to be a successful business person in this world. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you again. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on.